ko'y bago. Kung kagustuhan mo, sapat na ang mensahe. Minahal mo ako. Hello! Happy birthday, Daddy!
Lucy Baraki.
I have a dream.
Lucy Baraki.
Hanapin mo nga.
Lucy Baraki daw, Tay. Hanapin mo.
Kuya. Kuya.
Hanapin mo, Lucy Baraki.
That's what I'm with you.
Hello! Hello!
Saan yung camera?
Ayun o. Ito na. Hanapin mo nga yun o. Si Balasi.
Sorry to say,
Si Tatay. Nanay niya ni Ay.
well, because anything,
Lalagay lang ng yelo.
if you see you wonder,
Marunong. Pwede ba yan? Tatay yan. Hoy,
you
pwede ba
can
yan?
take a future,
Hindi na alam mo. Lucy Baraki.
even if you fail.
Tandang
I believe in angels,
Uy, na kanya. Gusto ka kanya.
something good in everything I see. I believe in angels. When I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the stream. Have a dream. Have a dream. Have a truth. And my destination makes it worth a while.
Andiyan na yun o. Si Balasi.
Pushing through the darkness,
Power of love.
still another mile.
Power of love.
I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels. When I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the stream.
Dalawa yung kanta dito. May power of love.
Dream.
Ano ba kanta dito? Sino ba?
I'll cross the stream.
Kay Silin.
Have a dream.
Nandun siya.
Have a dream.
Ano pa?
One moment of time.
Happy cause
Ayaw.
everything.
Hanapin mo pa.
If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take a future,
Ayaw makita sa atin.
even if you feel.
Solo flight.
I believe in something good in everything I see. I believe when I knew the time is right for me, I'll cross the stream. I'll cross the stream. Have a dream.
ulam daw kagabi, sira.
Oo, nanay! Hindi mo.
Sige na.
Hindi alam andok.
Andok sa ulam mo. hindi
Andok
ba?
ka, anak. Chicken joy. Mordila? Sunod na araw, huwag ka na magsabi ng ganyan. Bakit di ka nag-ulam ng chicken?
Hello.
Ilaw.
Ay,
Mahulog ka na
bakit
dyan.
to, ah? Bakit ka? Oy! Oy! Oy!
In my dream, young pursued me.
Wala.
Everybody seemed to have time to devote to me.
Ano yan?
Everyone I saw, whole world.
Ay, nawala.
Once upon a song, mean attraction, couldn't buy a seat. They're celebrities would die to me. I had every accolade before me, and so you see,
Ayan na nga.
if I never sing another song, it shouldn't bother me. I've had my share of pain. You know my name. If I never sing